everyone, and welcome to Principles of Management. My name is Kim Fisher, and I will be your instructor for the next 15 weeks. This is an online course, and I wanted to do this little tour so that you have an idea of how the course will flow over the next few weeks. Please feel free to contact me with any questions you may have, but again, I wanted to just do a little tour of the course. So I want you to check your email 3 to 4 times a week just to see for grades that are upgraded, that have been graded, any assignment changes, whatever occurs, just check your email for all your instructors. But up here, you will get your announcements, and I will send an announcement out Monday morning and Friday afternoon as a reminder. Just so that you know, those are your announcements. I will send a reminder. All your assignments are due by Monday mornings at 9 a.m. Your first assignment will be due January 31st. This is the first week's assignment, and it will show you what you need to do. You're going to click here to get your course schedule, and then it will follow through and tell you to go to the Welcome and Getting Started, which is where this video is, and then exactly what you need to do for this week. Please remember to do your assignments. If you do not, you will be dropped from this course. I cannot accept any late assignments. You must do your assignments this week, or the college will drop you from the course. So we don't want you to do that. And if you are removed, they do charge you if you do not complete at least one of your homework assignments. So, and we cannot allow reinstatement. So I just want to let you know, and we don't want you to have any financial impact due to this, so we just want to make sure you're aware of that rule or requirement of the college. It states here my hours. Please don't worry about this. If you have a question, I want you to email me, or you can call my office, which will send me an email if I'm not in the office. I also have another number under my communication plan that you can text me. So there's numerous ways of getting a hold of me, but if you email me, I will get back to you. So I don't want you to go through activities. I want you to go through content every week. And I want you this week to go through the Welcome and Getting Started. And here is where you'll learn about your textbook, which you do not buy a textbook. It is in Connect, and it's an e-textbook. So all you have to do is click on your first reading assignment, and it should connect you to it. The cost of the book was included in the course, so you do not buy a textbook. The next thing is the syllabus. Now, you do have to click on this little box to get to the syllabus, but I do want you to read over the syllabus. And then we have the evaluation measures, and it breaks down all your assignments. Your Connect assignments, which are your little assignments you'll have every week for each chapter. You'll also have quizzes, discussions, and 2 certifications that you'll need, and that's 20% of your overall grade. Then you'll have 4 exams at worth 60%, and then you have your summative, which is your paper, which is a management paper. So we have that broken down into different parts for you as well. Then the course expectation is preparing for your online course, the course, how it's actually structured. It talks about weekly assignments are due every Monday, except the last week, week 15, it will be due on Thursday at 9 a.m. It's just a short, it's very simple. It won't take you more than 10 minutes to do. We talk here about your late work and missed assignments. Please do not hand in anything late. Feedback and grades and how I do them within the week is what I will get back to you. Attendance, because this is an online course and we're not meeting in person, you're just required to do your assignments. But if we do a group project, you're required to get it with your group. Here's your grading system for Delaware Tech. And then all assignments need to be submitted through D2L. Now let's say that there's a problem and you're not able to get them loaded, then you need to send me an email prior to the due date and time along with the assignment. So I want you to attach the assignment and send it out. But that's only if there's a problem. And then they talk a little bit about academic integrity, which is cheating, plagiarism, that type of thing, which we're not going to worry about because I don't think any of you will do that. Then you'll find your course schedule. This is really important, and I've actually included a printable copy for you that you can print. But this will tell you exactly, and it's linked to each week, so you can find out exactly what you're doing every week. It's all included here. Okay. And then we have a more detailed with who I am. There's my picture. So you at least know who is talking to you if you haven't had me before. And it talks about my student hours. Again, you can make an appointment through, you can book me, or you can email me, or you can text me at this number. It is a Google text, just so that you know. And then we have it a little bit more formal about how to get in touch with me. Then we have this is really neat. It's like the Math Center, Writing Center, Library. Here are all the links to them, financial aid, registrar. Just, it helps you get to those places if you need them for anything. So here they are right within the course. Technology resources, another one. They can help you with any technology issues you may have. If you need a laptop, they do have laptops for all students to lend. They'll let you use it for the semester. Please feel free to get them. We have plenty of them. So if you need a laptop, and especially if you have a Mac, some of the classes are not accessible with the Macs. Please just borrow one of the laptops for the semester. So you just click on here, and it's not a big deal. It's very easy. Then it talks about using D2L if you're not familiar with D2L, and then using Zoom. We have your group projects. So all your information is in here for your group projects, the instructions, the group information, and then the timeline. And this actually breaks the timeline down for when you're going to need each part of your assignment. So for week 1, you're going to go in week 1. You're going to start here, and it's going to break it down. I want you to make sure you go through this every week through content. Read and review, watch and listen. And then go to the assignments, and then they're right here, and go through each one of them. Don't always count on the activities here because you've got to go through Connect to get to them. Now, when you click on this, it will take you to the assignment. I'm not connected to it because I'm the instructor, but then you'll go into week 1 and finish that, and then you're done. So you'll know that you'll have these 2 assignments and whatever else is within the Connect to finish this week. All right? If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great semester, and I look forward to getting to meet each and every one of you.